Reli, just one look at your face and I know last week was full of that special flavor called pure stress. Spill it, come on.
Not stressed, just exhausted. I just survived a week of ultra-productive mode epic fail edition.
The name already screams not productive. What happened next?
I swore I'd wake up early to work out. Result, eyes opened at 8:59 a. Made a warm lemon detox water, then chased it with bubble tea.
Completely opposite the goal, yet emotionally makes perfect sense. My week wasn't any better. I signed up for yoga and went exactly once.
Just one session, and you quit?
First class. I stretched so hard I heard a crack. Still traumatized by that sound.
At least you showed up once. I bought a yoga mat and rolled it out as room decor.
Interior design masterpiece. Yoga is not for me edition.
But hey, I did clean the house this week. Well, just the desk. The rest of the room is waiting for a sunny day that never comes.
So both of us had a week of fake healthy living.
At least sitting here sipping coffee on the weekend feels like soul detox.
Exactly. Happy soul equals 50% success already.
Wait, what about the other 50%?
We'll think about it next week. No guarantee we'll do it.
Haha, love the calculated optimism.
Gotta stay optimistic.
Oh, I also tried cooking this week.
How did that go?
Kitchen turned into a crime scene. I poured salt the way I give love, generously but at the worst possible moment.
So, was it edible?
Edible. Yes. Life-shortening, probably.
Suggestion. Next week, switch to instant noodles. Higher success rate guaranteed.
Deal. Instant noodles never betray you.
By the way, did you meet anyone interesting last week? Like a random, unexpected encounter?
Met my regular delivery guy. We see each other every week. We're basically soulmates now.
Soulmate who still charges delivery fees. Tough friendship.
True, but at least he never judges me for ordering food at 11 p.
Better than me. Last week, the cashier gave me the classic late-night eater again stare.
Living too authentically gets you caught.
Haha, all in all, nothing spectacular happened, but talking about it is weirdly fun.
Exactly. Sometimes the ordinary weeks are the most lovable ones.
Cheers to a week full of half-hearted efforts.
Cheers.
All right, past week done, now work talk. Anything remarkable this week?
Remarkable? No. Chaotic? Yes. We just had the monthly wrap-up meeting. Everyone showed off their masterpiece projects. Me? I brought an Excel file still named.
What was it called? Book 1?
Worse. Messy. File.
Haha, the kind where you open it and have no idea which version is the latest.
Spot on. Then during the presentation I opened the wrong old file. My team looked at me and I swear I saw the word disappointment glowing in their eyes.
At least you have teammates to disappoint. I'm freelance. I disappoint myself, nice and tidy.
How was your week then?
Got a project with a 5-day deadline. Told myself I'd start early. Result, first 4 days spent analyzing and mentally preparing. Day 5, panic marathon.
Peak freelance energy. Compressed productivity.
I call it house on fire technology. Only runs when the deadline is burning.
Did you make it?
Yes, but when I sent the file, I wrote, "Here's the finished work, looking forward to your feedback." 3 minutes later, the client replied, "Lily, we haven't even sent you the payment request yet."
They hadn't paid. And you already finished?
Yep. I worked ahead because I was scared of missing the deadline. The client was more shocked than me. In the end, they paid immediately, out of pity.
You guilt-tripped them into paying.
Exactly. My work style, emotionally intense.
Seriously though, is work going okay lately?
It's stable, in all caps, meaning not bad, but every month I still wonder, why is money flying out so fast?
That's every working adult's disease.
You? Smooth sailing at the office?
Smooth, straight toward the deadline reef. Yesterday my boss gave me a task. Thought it'd take an hour. 3 hours later, still not done.
Why does that sound familiar?
Cleaning up the company's shared folders.
Oh no, the task that never ends.
I felt like an explorer on an alien planet. Folders inside folders, duplicate files everywhere. Opened one and found a 2019 document waiting to be freed.
Actually, your job sounds kind of adventurous.
The adventure part is when the boss asks, "Why isn't it done yet?" And I answer, "Because it's a multiverse file system."
Did he buy it?
No, but he laughed, so I lived to see another day.
A laugh equals forgiveness.
Ever feel like changing careers?
All the time. Every 10th revision request makes me dream of becoming a flower farmer for some peace.
I want to raise cats. Then I remember cats are pickier than my boss.
True. Bosses don't stare at you begging for treats.
Bottom line, work is tiring, but sitting here laughing about it on the weekend makes it worth it.
Yep. As long as there's coffee and someone to complain to, no deadline can scare us.
One more cheers?
Okay, now the topic everyone dreads but secretly loves, love life. You want me to go first, or you?
You go first. I need to brace myself. My love life lately feels like old flan, soft, wobbly, and ready to collapse.
So poetic. Mine's not much better. There's someone texting me every night, but
But what?
texts every night, disappears every morning. I suspect he's running on free public Wi-Fi with limited hours.
Makes sense. Love in the 4 era depends on signal strength.
The weird part is the texts are super sweet, asking about my day and everything, but I can't tell if it's real or just something to pass the time.
Do you like him?
A little flutter, yeah. The kind you get when you set a coffee cup on a slightly shaky table.
Gentle flutter. Safe distance.
Your turn. How's yours?
Well, there's someone I'm into, but I'm not sure if they actually like me or just see me as an emotional charging station.
That sounds familiar. They only text when they're sad?
Yep. Sad message. Happy radio silence. I feel like a free app with no ads.
I get it. Being a backup plan instead of the main choice hurts.
Exactly. Sometimes I want to ask straight up, but I'm scared I'll freak them out.
You're always scared. Scared of bothering them, bad timing, losing them. But if they really care, they won't disappear that easily.
Easy to say, hard to do. Hands still shake.
So what's the plan? Keep being their charger?
No. I think I'll slow down. It's good to respect their feelings, but I have to respect mine too.
Yes. Love others enough, but love yourself more.
I like that philosophy.
As for me, I'll keep observing. If they only text when they're free, I'll only reply when I'm free. Fair balance.
You sound so grown up right now.
Have to be. Growing up means knowing who to let in and who to let go. Simple in theory, brutal in practice.
So basically, both of us are stuck in limbo relationships.
Limbo, but not hopeless.
Because here we are, drinking coffee and healing ourselves by gently roasting our love lives.
Haha, exactly. Love isn't always pretty, but talking about it always is.
Who knows, maybe next week we'll have good news.
Maybe you'll finally confess and succeed?
Maybe you'll get morning texts too?
If that happens, you're treating coffee next week.
My treat. As long as the good news actually arrives.
Weekends like this are the best mental medicine.
Yeah. Love might be tiring, but best friends never are.
Cheers to that one more time.
Cheers.